Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Yes, it's the second video in like 10 minutes. So, today I have another plane, Papercraft. And today I'll be showing you a Avianca Airlines of Colombia, Airbus A330. I believe it's a 200. Yes, it is. Yeah. So let me show you. Okay, yeah, that's a plane. You see, it is, took a little while to make. It looks very nice though. The results were very surprising. Well, and you saw that I had finally made a progressive building video, which hopefully worked. Hopefully worked in the, never mind, video editing. Yeah, here, the engines, focus. Frack. No, we saw it. Yeah, look pretty cool. So, yeah, the little canoes are straight, but they're not like fat. But oh well. And it looks very nice over. Yeah, and you see, I've sort of modified the A340's stand. Not physically, just not like shape, just the art, and put Avianca on there instead of air to heating you. So yeah. It looks nice, and also this plane fits perfectly on this thing. It just sits nicely. Yeah, so that was pretty much it. So I hope you liked this video, and look forward to more. It's probably going to be in a few minutes again. Yeah, so hope you like it, and goodbye.